Okay guys, so we switched to the T-Mobile with a T-Mobile SIM card and
pure T-Mobile, no ProjectFi.
Yeah, just T-Mobile.
HSPA Plus.
HSPA Plus. It is working faster, I will say that. It looks like when it was on ProjectFi, it wouldn't even move
the pages at all.
Yeah.
It's loading the pages.
No, that's gonna, damn it, why'd you do that?
Speed test on that.
No, that's gonna ask to freaking install an app. This is with the T-Mobile. Alright, see, that's what I was expecting. We'll get top, we're not gonna see more than 10 megabytes per second, so this is HSPA Plus. So I mean
it's
still usable
to get around. Yeah. It's just obviously you won't be getting like what you're paying for.
You still be able to make calls.
Location services should work fine with it. They might be a little bit delayed.
Watch a YouTube video. No. It's usable, guys. It's doable. Oh.
No.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Stop it.
Right now we're jumping in with AT&T. We're basically just gonna try it out to see if we run into the same issue.
It was pretty quick. Actually,
Did it sign in? How quick? Oh yeah, pretty responsive.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Nice. All right.
So fingerprint reader works.
Hey, LTE.
Oh, look at that. With AT&T, we're getting LTE connection with up and down.
So guys, right here, we just switched to the AT&T SIM card, nano card, whatever, and LTE, guys.
Yeah, we didn't even need to do anything with it. Yeah, try to test it out. Just do a speed test. Try to load the same webpage we've been trying to load the whole time. All right, look at that. Not bad.
Guys, it looks like if you're on
AT&T, you got exactly what you need. That's perfect. Yeah, that's full blown LTE.
Yeah, full blown LTE.
Latte. Look at that bar go! Oh, yeah, go! Here's the thing with ProjectFi though. Like, I mean, the other SIM card was ProjectFi. By what ProjectFi is basically using all different providers' bands.
But if it's not a ProjectFi phone, it would only use.
Oh yes, that's
T-Mobile.
true. So maybe that wasn't a good test. ProjectFi is not a good fit.
Guys,
like it does have phones that it only supports.
Yeah. Well, let's try to play a quick video.
Oh, how's the sound?
Can you guys hear that? That sounds pretty good.
Yep, the speakers, I don't hear anything from the top one, so this one definitely doesn't produce any sound.
Like
it doesn't.
Produces a lot of sound.
I'm betting that the speaker is here and it has a subwoofer.
No, I'm gonna close this one.
That's the subwoofer. You hear it?
I don't hear a lot of difference.
That's definitely
I do hear a little bit coming out of the top one.
You have your
Most of the
headpiece.
sound is gonna come out from this one, and then a little bit comes out of this one. But it does create a nice effect. It sounds pretty good.
It does actually.
So,
LTE tests with AT&T are passing nicely. Not doing bad. ProjectFi didn't work out that much, but I mean that's why you have proprietary phones that can only work with ProjectFi. I think we pretty much debunked that American service providers wouldn't be able to provide service to this phone.
We tested 2 SIM cards today because this only works for GSM networks.
Right.
We got all the updates done. We are on Android 9 now.
10. Wait, no, sorry, yeah, 9. Part. We're in MIUI 10.
Yeah.
Android 9.
Boom.
You got my pie.
Come on.
My pie droid.
And then MIUI version 10. I'll be testing the camera in a different video independently. But you know, mostly it's gonna look very similar because this is using a skin, the MIUI skin, and from 9 to 10 it didn't change much. I'm gonna test the performance now on the phone.
Right, we basically downloaded Antutu benchmark. We downloaded PUBG, Asphalt, and Dead Trigger 2 on the phone to test not only computing but graphical capabilities. Other thing that I'll say is that when we started this video about, 2 hours ago? We started at 66% battery, like right off the box, and right now we are at 49% battery. And now this is taking into account downloading all of the games, downloading all of the updates, running with Wi-Fi, with 4G LTE, everything that you need on the phone at all times. So almost 20% battery life lost in about 2 hours with heavy use. We got a phone, my phone in particular, we're going to be testing it out as a comparison point. I have a Pixel 2 XL that brings the previous generation Snapdragon
835.
835. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we might as well do the benchmark right now. Antutu. Tutu.
Ready?
All right, let's do it.
Wait, you start a little bit further.
No. The frame rate is a
more
lot
fluid
faster
here,
on the Pocophone. Yeah, frame
This
rate
is
is
pretty
definitely
smooth,
yeah, frame rate was definitely faster on that. Lighting is also like lighting detail is a lot better. It's smoother. Like pixels, I mean, like you can't tell that much breaking between the pixels compared to
My pixels.
the Declau.
We should name him.
Pamphilo.
No. Here where my index finger is, it's a little bit warm.
No, that's a
Not too
setting for
bad.
mine. Probably where the CPU is.
Probably, yeah. So wait, is that an AMOLED or an OLED? Okay,
AMOLED.
Google. Is the Pixel 2 XL an AMOLED or OLED?
On the website CNET.com, they say
Okay.
the smaller Pixel 2
Stop it,
mobile
Google.
screen is made by Samsung,
Google,
while the
stop
larger
it!
Pixel 2
Look what you've done.
Meanwhile,
So that
the
was my
LG V30 has
Hey,
a
Google.
QLED
Okay,
display.
Google, stop! Damn it.
Were we kind of rude? That was kind of rude. Alright guys, so we pretty much finished the whole calculations, and yeah, the Pocophone pretty much won, obviously.
Not pretty much, it won. hands
Yeah.
down. It wasn't much
Like,
of a
it got like a-
Specifically, it's
291,000.
291,279 for the Poco and 209,733 for the Pixel 2 XL.
Right.
I don't know if the 6 gigabytes of RAMs are making that.
I would actually expect it like that the mem test and the multitasking test would probably like be affected by that,
But the extra 2 gigabytes of RAM really
definitely
gonna
does
help
make
you
a
there.
difference on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure. Okay, so I think you wanna run some games in here, see what we got.
Yeah, definitely. Let's try them out. So PUBG should be like a good test because this thing, as I said, it has ultra settings. You know what I'm noticing? A little bit of cutting.
The curvature here of the edge
Yeah,
by
I don't
the
know if you guys
chin.
can see this,
it's-
but like the X is pretty much cut off there.
Yeah.
I did experience the same issue on my Pixel 2 XL when I first got it for some games. I guess some of them just aren't optimized for these type of like
Yeah.
curve. I mean, gameplay wise, everything looks fine. I mean, obviously it's not gonna look as good as the PC ever. Let's try the trigger.
Is it getting warm on your hand or?
I don't feel it actually getting warm.
I would say I'm pretty impressed with the. It's not the best sounding phone I've ever seen, but it gets pretty loud.
This is pretty much like sub-console graphics, I would guess we would say. But you don't notice any stuttering or anything like that. Like everything's pretty smooth. Out of a 10 in gaming, I would probably give it a 9.
9?
Yeah. Ha, an Android 9.
The only thing that is a concern with this phone is gonna be just the antennas and whether you're gonna get LTE or not in your area.
$300. Maybe a little bit more for the 6 gigabyte, 128. So
Plus,
far,
you can get the 64 and then just expand it with a micro SD card. So,
right.
you know,
Yeah.
it's a no-brainer. If you have AT&T and you're thinking about getting this phone, I would say go ahead. I can't see why I wouldn't recommend
I
it.
mean, compared to you going to the AT&T store and having to spend like $900 on you know like one of the newer
Galaxy,
phones,
right.
this is definitely like a very
good option.
good alternative.
Alright guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for us for today. We still have some more reviews, in-depth review after some more usage for this
About
phone.
a week,
Yeah.
probably we're gonna do
So if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe, and if you like the video, give us the thumbs up. If you disliked it, well, you know what to do. I guess just
rant on us.
Yeah. Please give us a comment. Let us know what we did good, where we can improve. We love to hear from you guys, and hope to see you again.
Bye.
To the next one.